Guys, there is a new glitch in Roblox Rival finally. So what this glitch is that if you have a grappler, you can basically pull the enemy towards yourself. As you can see like this. Let's finish this enemy first. You can pull this enemy, and if you combine this with knife, as you can see, if I pull anybody and then grapple knife and kill like this, it takes a long, but enemy will be eliminated so easily. But if you combine grappler with quick melee, but if you combine anybody with quick melee, then you can see that if we pull anybody, guys, this, yes, you can kill anybody so easily, so easy, like, so this is so overpowered technique, but you should have a good aim to do it. Yes, basically it is all about the aim and a correct timing of knife backstab. That's all about these things. And as you can see, you can practice it more and more to master it. And this will not get removed from Roblox level because it is legit, like no glitch. It's not any glitch. And there are so many YouTubers who are telling this, but you can also learn it from me. Like, you have to just pull at anybody and then backstab him. I can backstab my bad because I have not played rival in a while. But as you can see, this is so overpowered. And bro, why can't I hit? But I think you are pro. My subscribers are pro. You are also pro. So I have also another trick. If you, like, suppose this is an enemy, you want to backstab him, you can't pull him because your aim is trash like me. You can go here and then fast backstab. What? You can firstly go behind the enemy with grappler, then give him backstab. I don't know why not really, but you can so kill enemies so easily. So this is all the concept I have learned from other YouTubers and my logic. So you can use this technique and also subscribe me. Can't you subscribe? Please subscribe, guys. It takes so long to make a video. Yes, please subscribe, guys. And I also do live, so consider watching. So please watch my live and please subscribe. I don't have get more than 50 views in a long video, and gave I also gave my time to long video, but I can't. So please subscribe. It will mean a lot. So bye bye, guys.